digging through earnings reports, analyst notes, and news headlines before making a trading decision used to eat hours of your week. AI can collapse that research process into minutes. Here is a repeatable workflow that serious traders are already using to get an edge. Start by choosing the right tools for each job. Use Perplexity for real-time news and web search because it cites live sources. Use ChatGPT or Claude for deep analysis and synthesis of documents you paste in. Use Grok on X if you want social sentiment from traders in real time. One tool rarely does everything well. Open Perplexity and type a focused query like, "What are the most important developments for NVIDIA in the last 7 days, including earnings, analyst upgrades, and macro risks?" Perplexity pulls from live web sources and shows you citations so you can verify every claim. This replaces a 20-minute manual news sweep. Go to the investor relations page for your target company, copy the most recent earnings call transcript, and paste it into ChatGPT. Prompt it to summarize the key revenue drivers, management guidance, risks mentioned, and any language shifts from the prior quarter. You get a structured brief in seconds instead of reading 60 pages. Now ask ChatGPT to compare your stock against its top 2 or 3 competitors across the metrics that matter most to you: revenue growth, margins, valuation multiples, or debt levels. Paste in any financial data you already have, or ask Perplexity to fetch current figures first. A side-by-side table makes relative value obvious instantly. Switch to Grok and search your ticker. Ask Grok to summarize what retail traders and financial accounts on X are saying about the stock right now and whether sentiment is shifting. Social momentum does not replace fundamentals, but it can flag catalysts or fear spikes that headlines have not caught yet. Prompt ChatGPT or Claude with, "Act as a skeptical analyst. Based on everything I have shared, what are the top 5 risks or bear case arguments against this position?" Forcing the AI to steelman the opposite view surfaces blind spots you might be too bullish to notice on your own. This step alone is worth building into every trade. Ask ChatGPT to take everything from your research session and format it as a go or no-go decision checklist. You define the criteria that matter to your strategy: technical signals, fundamental thresholds, sentiment score, position sizing rules, and the AI structures it into a template you can reuse for every trade going forward. Before you make any trading decision, verify the key numbers AI cited against a primary source like the SEC filing, a broker platform, or the company's own investor page. AI can hallucinate figures or miss breaking updates. Treat AI output as a smart first draft, not a final authority. Your capital is on the line. Use Perplexity for live news, ChatGPT or Claude for deep document analysis, and Grok for real-time sentiment. Build a decision checklist you reuse every time, and always verify critical numbers before you trade. Pick one stock you are watching this week and run it through this full workflow. You will be shocked how much faster and sharper your research becomes.